Ang pag-aasawa daw ay isang desisyon na kailangan mong pag-isipan ng maraming beses. Dahil sa pag-aasawa, maraming magbabago. Maraming pagsubok ang kailangan mong harapin. Maraming pagkakataon na kailangan mong tiisin. At higit sa lahat, kailangan buo ang puso mo na tanggapin lahat ng kahinaan ng iyong kabiyak.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa simpleng hangarin, pinalawak ng mataimtim na dasalin. Ngayon, bagong bukas ng haharapin. Kasamang pinagsama mga pangarap natin.
Alam niyo ba, maraming itatawag dito sa kasal na ito. Tatawagin siguro itong wedding of the year, baka wedding of the decade. Marami pang iba. Pero natitiyak ko, after many years or maybe even today, ang tingin na lang niyo sa araw na ito talaga ay ito, you gave yourselves to each other in this Marian Church of the Immaculate Conception.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Oh, you look so beautiful in white. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in